Zoom Basics for Preserve at Home participants. Preserve at Home chats will be using Zoom. If you are new to Zoom, go to zoom.us to create an account. Zoom will work without an account, but you will have more features if you have an account. If you're using a computer for the chat, download the Zoom desktop app, or if you are using another electronic device, you can visit your device's app store to get the Zoom app for your device. To join a Zoom meeting, you can click on the Zoom link in the email. This will either take you to the online Zoom website or the Zoom app. Another way to join a Zoom meeting is to start the Zoom app, then enter the meeting ID. Then enter the screen name that you want. For Preserve at Home, it is best to use the name you're registered with, so you get credit for participating in the chat. Then enter the password you received in the Zoom email invitation. For security reasons, there will be a waiting room to prevent Zoom bombers. When one of the hosts lets you in, you can choose to join with video or not. You can add a picture to be displayed when you are off camera by logging into your account online. The next decision is whether to join with computer audio or call-in. Call-in numbers are provided in the Zoom email invitation. Now that you are in a Zoom meeting, here are some participation options. If you hover your mouse on the bottom of the screen, a taskbar will appear. In the bottom left corner is the mute button. Mute and unmute by clicking on the button. For other audio options, click on the arrow to the right of the button. This will allow you to choose which speakers and microphone you use for the chat and other audio setting options. Next is the video button. You can start or stop video by clicking on the button. The arrow to the right of the video button allows you to choose between different cameras and select a virtual background. A virtual background allows you to cover up what is in the background of your video. To select a virtual background, click the plus button. Then select a photo from your computer to be your virtual background. The participant button allows you to see the names of who else is on the Zoom chat. In the participant screen, you can mute or unmute and change your display name by selecting the More button and rename. A chat button allows you to type text messages to other participants in the Zoom chat. You can select who to send the chat to, whether it is one person or everyone. You can also upload a file to the chat to share with the other participants. You can also save the chat for future reference. The Reactions button allows you to raise your hand or display other reactions or emotions with an emoji. In the upper right corner is the View button. Generally, Zoom is set to Speaker View, which shows a large window of the person who is speaking and smaller windows of the other participants above or to the side. The Gallery view allows you to view all participants in the same sized windows. You can also make the Zoom window go full screen. Lastly, to leave the Zoom meeting, select the red Leave button in the bottom left corner.